Hello students, in this period we are going to solve petty set 15. So first question is observe the figure and complete the table for angle AWB. So look at the figure. This is the angle AWB. This is the arms of this angle and this is a obtuse angle. So question is points the interior. So write down the points of interior. So we already learned what is interior point and what is exterior points. Points in the interior. So tell me interior points means which points? So it is R, comma N, comma C and X. This is the interior points. Means which points comes in the figure. So this is our interior points. The next is points in the exterior. Exterior means what? Neither interior and neither arm. So this is our exterior point. So this is not our exterior points, and AWD also is not our exterior point. So the remaining point is our exterior point. So AWB is not our exterior point because this is the arms of this angle. So T, U, G, V and Y. This is our exterior point. So G is not our exterior point. So it is only T, W, Q, V and Y. T, W, Q, V. Sorry, W is not our exterior point because this is the arms of the circle, arms of this angle. So it is T, U and Q, V and Y. This is the exterior points of this angle. Now the next is points on the arms of this angle. Now look at this A, W, G and B. This is the points of this arms of this angle. So it is A, W, G and B. This is the points of this angle. Hope you understand. Now question number second. Name the pairs of the adjacent angles in the figures below. Name the pairs of this angle. So write down the pairs of this angle. So can you say this is adjacent angle? Yes, because it has a common vertex. So it is N. N is the common vertex of this angle. So we can say angle BNC and angle ANC and angle ANB and angle BNA and angle BNC. This is the pairs of angle because look at here, it is the common BN common of the angles. Which angles? BN common, N is common of the BN is common of the which angles? Like BNA and BNC. This is the common. Okay, this part and this part attached to the BN. So this is the common. Now if NC is common, so it is CNB and CNE. Okay, if AN is common, so it is what? It is ANB and BNC. This is okay. So now hope you understand how to take a pair of this adjacent angle. Now this is also homework for you. Write down the pairs of this exercise and this is also okay. Number 3. Are the following pairs are adjacent angles? If not, state the reason. Write down the reason of. First, let's understand angle PMQ and angle RMQ. Look at the angle PMQ. Angle PMQ. Angle PMQ. This is our angle. Okay. Let's write angle PMQ, and next is angle RMQ. This is the R. Okay, so we already learned tell are the pairs is adjacent angle. आपल्याला इथे दाखवायचे adjacent angle आहे की नाही. We already learned the angles, adjacent angles has a common vertex. So it has a common vertex. Okay, it has a separate interior points. Okay, and its arms are opposite to each other. So we can say it is a adjacent angle. Look at here. This is the common pairs. Now angle PMQ, angle PMQ, angle RMQ. Okay, angle PMQ, this is the separate angle, and angle RMQ, this is also separate angle. So it has separate interior point, it has common vertex, and the opposite arms, it has opposite arms. So we can say it is a adjacent angle. It is adjacent angle. Okay, now number 2, RMQ, angle RMQ and angle SMR. Look at the angle RMQ and angle SMR. This is our angle, this is our R. Okay, angle, and this is common angle RMQ, this is Q, angle RMQ, angle RMQ and angle SMR. So angle SMR. Okay, so let's understand. We already know some basic points of the adjacent angle. So look at the angle RMQ. RMQ means these angles RMQ, and second is angles SMR. SMR means which angles? SMR. So RMQ is a parent angle, so they do not have a common angle, so it is not a adjacent angle because they do not have a separate interior points. Look at here. If angle RMQ and angle SMR, so this is the bigger angle of this angle. So जर आपण याचा विचार केलं तर हे इंटेरियर पॉइंट्स जे असेल ते दोघांचे काय असणार? सेम असणार. सो हे काय असणार? आपलं अँगल आहे का ॲडजस्टंट अँगल? हे नाही आहे. यांचं कॉमन व्हर्टेक्स एम आहे, बट हेज इंटेरियर पॉईंट यांचे एक आहे का? नाही आहे. ओके, सो दिस इज नॉट अवर adjacent angle. So state the reason, because they do not have a separate interior point. So you can say reason you can write any reason. So now let's solve the example 3rd and 4. Okay, this is homework for you. Complete this exercise and send on our WhatsApp group. Now we will stop here. Thank you.